Hello, this is Gare. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Bargraph LED displays with your Arduino. Here we have all the positives of the Bargraph LEDs connected to a resistor to the 5 volts line on our Arduino. And then this ribbon cable goes to pins 4 through 13 on our Arduino. And then here we have a potentiometer. It's just a input signal going to a 0 on our Arduino and connected between the 5 volts and the ground. Here you can, if we adjust the potentiometer, it goes 30, 40, 50, so on, so forth, all the way up to 100% or 10 of 10. We're going to bring it down. If we go down to 1 LED, it actually flashes, simulating a battery meter. That's what I have it set up for. If we go all the way up to positive or 100% voltage. If we set to some arbitrary value, turn it off, turn it back on, all the segments will light up, and then it will show the real value. Add some smoothing in the code. Which we will look at here. This is where I got the original code from. Here's the pins that are connected to the LEDs. Then we have this part that lights up all the LEDs for 1 second. And then we read the sensor and map it to the level of the bar graph. This is basically where all the magic happens. Then we got, if the LED level is less than 1, we blink the first LED, else we delay. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can follow me on social media by scanning the QR codes on your screen, or you can click the links in the description. If you would like to support me financially or check out my business channel, More Sound, you can scan the QR codes on your screen or click the links in the description. Goodbye. This is Gare Moore signing off.